Welcome to Backyard Plus. In this video we show you how to replace your control box and control head with the 77271 control box, 73225 control head, and the 71510 control panel bezel. Before we get started, let's go over the tools and parts you will need. Tools you will need: Phillips head screwdriver, small flathead screwdriver, needle nose, vice grips, pliers, wire cutters. Products you will need: 77271 IQ 2020 control box, 73225 control head, and the 71510 or 71509 control panel bezel. Step 1. Disconnect power from the spa. Step 2. Remove the equipment door and the IQ 2020 control box lid. Step 3. Loosen the control box mounting screws. Disconnect the black, white, and green heater wires. Disconnect the incoming power wires. Disconnect the jet pump, circ pump, and ozone wires. Disconnect the REGTHERM, LIMTHERM, and pressure switch from the motherboard. Disconnect the spa light and control head. Remove the incoming power from the control box. Disconnect the copper bonding wire. Step 4. Install the new control box by inserting the plastic hangers into the grooves and sliding the control box to the left. Install the control box mounting screws. Install the power jumpers on the terminal block for 120 volt operation. Connect the black, white, and green incoming power wires. Step 5. Connect the black, white, and green heater wires to the terminal block. The black and white heater wires will work in either H1 or H2. Connect the copper bonding wire to the bonding terminal. Step 6. Connect the REGTHERM, LIMTHERM, and pressure switch to the motherboard. Make sure the connectors are perfectly aligned with the port pins, otherwise the power light will flash and the spa will be inoperable. Step 7. Connect the ozone to P36, P26, and P32 on the motherboard. Connect the LED spotlight to P11. Step 8. Connect the circulation pump to P25, P31, and P22 on the motherboard. Step 9. Connect the jet pump to P19, P18, and P29 on the motherboard. Step 10. Remove the old control panel bezel and control head. Step 11. Connect the new control head to the new control panel bezel with the screws. You must reuse your old control panel LED or buy a new 37603 replacement. Step 12. Install the new control head and control panel bezel. Step 13. Plug the control head into the P2 control head port on the motherboard with the red stripe on the ribbon cable facing up. Good job! Thanks for watching. Our goal here at Backyard Plus is to save you money by avoiding costly service calls for repairs that you could easily do by yourself. If you have any questions or need to place an order, feel free to give us a call at 805-541-9000 or visit us online at backyardplus.com.